giant whiteout with shiny slime, a pom-pom marker, rainbow anti-stress glue, and a soft pencil case with a unicorn on it? Watch our new video to find out how to make oversized anti-stress school supplies for unicorns. There's a storm brewing over our magical school. Miss Smith is feeling very glum. This is the end. The students need to cheer Miss Smith up as fast as they can. Fawn and Unicorn, you're magical creatures, aren't you? Invent a cure for the blues. We've got an idea. A big rainbow whiteout. Get a big empty jar from protein powder. Glue an upside-down plastic cup to the lid. On the other side, glue a big paintbrush. Coat the upper and lower parts of the jar with acrylic primer. Also prime the lid and the brush. Make a few layers of primer. Make a rainbow whiteout label out of a soft foam sheet. Draw a logo on a white soft foam sheet. Decorate the letters with markers. Attach the label with double-sided tape. Mix 3 parts slime glue with 1 part baking soda solution. Add some shaving foam, acrylic paint, and glycerin. To thicken the slime, add in a couple of decongestant drops of Naphazoline. Mix the slime after dampening your hands with the baking soda solution. Put the slime into the jar. Decorate the whiteout with a ribbon. Miss Smith, take this anti-stress whiteout and stop moping. But the slime makes the teacher even sadder. What if we add some glitter? Unicorn will add all kinds of sparkles to the whiteout. Great idea! Miss Smith seems interested. She tries to mix different glitters into the slime. Holy unicorn! It's turning out so beautiful! All of a sudden, a packet of glitter attacks Miss Smith. That's it! My mood is ruined again. What's Unicorn got now? No way! Is it a giant rainbow Play-Doh? Coat a 10-liter bucket in primer. Paint it with acrylics. Make the lid brighter and the bucket more muted. To make slime, mix white Elmer's glue and acrylic paint. Add in some shaving foam and borax. Mix the slime and put it into a Ziploc bag. Make a few different rainbow colors of slime: orange, yellow, green, blue, lavender, purple, cherry, and pink. Distribute them all into bags and place them into the bucket. Attach a printed-out rainbow Play-Doh label. Inside the giant Play-Doh bucket, there's a whole treasure trove of colorful slimes. Play as much as you want. Unicorn and the Fawn stretch out a whole rainbow. But Miss Smith is still gloomy. There are no likes here, only tears. Everybody's forgotten about her. Even her students aren't noticing her anymore. Nobody's allowed to have fun in class when the teacher is going through some troubles. Maybe some Play-Doh will help. Miss Smith just loves playing with slimes to de-stress. The cheerful rainbow set lifts her mood in the blink of an eye. Miss Smith keeps breaking chalk. Great! Another reason to be mad! And now we have to save the school from being destroyed by Miss Rage. Unicorn knows what to do. Let's create a huge anti-stress marker with a surprise inside. Coat a plastic rectangular tube with acrylic paint. Draw a picture of a cute unicorn. Color it with acrylics. Trace the lines with a marker. Make a little cap out of a smaller tube. Mark the size on some foam rubber. Cut it out and glue in the soft topper. Coat it with a layer of a foam rubber sheet. Cut out and glue on a clip made out of a soft foam rubber sheet. Stick 3 pastel chalks together with rainbow tape. Cut a tip for the marker out of foam rubber. Glue the marker tip made out of chalks into it. And surround it with another layer of foam rubber. Fill the marker with soft pom-poms. It worked! Miss Smith is so happy about the gift that all her woes are forgotten. This magical marker is a great replacement for chalk. But that's not the whole surprise yet. Look inside. There's a wonderful soft world waiting for you inside. That's amazing! Miss Smith is playing with the pom-poms like a little kid. But Miss Smith is feeling bad again. She's delivering a complicated lecture at the speed of light. Unicorn is diligently taking notes, but poor Fawn can't keep up with Miss Smith's pace. And now his neighbor is distracting him too! Great! Now he's missed a couple of paragraphs and completely lost his place. To calm the Fawn down and make up for what she did wrong, Unicorn gives her neighbor a magic notebook that's sure to calm him down. Score a line with a knife in the center of a sheet of thick scrapbooking chipboard that's 33 by 44 inches. Bend the sheet in half. Prime the chipboard on all sides. Make colorful blotches with acrylic paint on the front side. When the paint dries, rub a paraffin candle on the surface and paint over it with black acrylic paint. Glue a block of A2 paper on the inside. This notebook is dark and gloomy, just like the grades the Fawn will get on his exams. Don't rush to conclusions, my long-horned friend. All you need is the unicorn's magical horn. Cover a styrofoam cone with light clay. Use a small stick to make grooves in a spiral. Make it look twisty like a unicorn horn. Put a piece of a wooden skewer into the top. Cover the horn with gold acrylic paint. Decorate the base with foam rubber sheet flowers. Attach sparkles to glue. Sweet Fawn, you can't eat this horn! You can only use it to draw bright pictures. Just start scratching a design on the cover. Oh, wow! Fawn also wants to try this technique that Unicorn came up with. He can scratch out a whole beautiful sky on this notebook. Miss Smith is creating a board of wishes. She'll hang up pictures of a luxurious life and glamorous vacations, and then she'll wait for her wishes to come true. It's a good plan, except that she can't find any glue. Where did it go? The students can see Miss Smith's 50 shades of sadness and rush to help her out. Here's some magical glue for you. Fold some foam rubber in half and glue on some pipe insulation. Wrap it in the foam rubber. Cover the top with a soft foam sheet. Coat it with acrylic paints. Make a rainbow print. Cut stars out of a shiny soft foam sheet. Decorate the tube and glue on a printed out glue label. Use acrylic paints to write a label for the glue. Next, to make slime, mix Elmer's glue, gel laundry detergent, and shaving foam. Add some acrylic paints. Mix the slime and pour in some styrofoam beanbag filling. Put the foam into the glue tube. Wow! Unicorn's glue really did turn out to be magical. It's so soft and colorful. The magical glue can make all Miss Smith's wishes come true and attach the pieces of her broken heart back together. What a perfect de-stress helper! Unicorn can't wait to brag about her anti-stress pencil case. Look, it's a soft portrait of her. Make a cut in a memory foam neck pillow. Glue a zipper into the cut. Coat the pillow with rubber paint. Cut elements of a unicorn out of textured soft foam sheets. Glue the ears and the mane to the pillow. Draw eyes and a mouth with a permanent marker. And glue on a horn made out of foam rubber. Unicorn keeps treasures inside her pencil case. Check out these emeralds she's keeping for the fawn. But Miss Smith's snoring breaks the peace. Miss Smith is so tired of suffering that she just fell asleep. Let's help her get a bit more comfortable so that our teacher won't get a crick in her neck. That's more like it. But the teacher wasn't expecting to see a unicorn on her shoulder. So much for relaxation! The fawn is taking Unicorn's measurements. He wants a rainbow outfit just like hers for himself. Unfortunately, regular tools just won't cut it here. Don't be sad, critters! Miss Smith brought you a big rainbow ruler. Cut a long, even strip out of a foam mat. Prime it. And cover it with rubber paints. Use different colors. Mark segments using a ruler. Draw lines with a marker. This soft rainbow ruler is much more their speed. Now the fawn can complete his task and get accurate measurements from Unicorn. Did you like our anti-stress unicorn school supplies? Then write in the comments about which giant rainbow school supply you'd want to make at home. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss new unicorn ideas on Troom Troom.